Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Absa Bank Home Loan. This tutorial will walk you through the process of applying for a home loan with Absa Bank. The first step is to check your eligibility. You can do this by visiting the Absa Bank website and using their home loan calculator to determine how much you can afford to borrow. Next, you need to gather the required documents. These include your identity document, proof of income, and proof of address. You will also need to provide details of the property you want to purchase, including the purchase price and the location. Once you have all the necessary documents, you can apply for the home loan online or at your nearest Absa Bank branch. The application process typically involves filling out a form and submitting it along with the required documents. After submitting your application, Absa Bank will review your credit history and assess the value of the property. This process can take a few days to a few weeks, depending on the complexity of the application. If your application is approved, Absa Bank will offer you a home loan with a specific interest rate and repayment term. It is essential to carefully review the terms and conditions of the loan before accepting the offer. Some key concepts to keep in mind when applying for an Absa Bank home loan include the interest rate, which is the percentage of the loan amount that you will be charged as interest, and the repayment term, which is the length of time you have to repay the loan. It is also essential to consider the additional costs associated with buying a home, such as transfer duties and attorney fees. These costs can add up quickly, so it is crucial to factor them into your budget. In conclusion, applying for an Absa Bank home loan is a relatively straightforward process, but it does require some planning and preparation. By following these steps and carefully reviewing the terms and conditions of the loan, you can make an informed decision and find the right home loan for your needs. Remember to always do your research and compare different home loan options before making a decision. It is also a good idea to seek advice from a financial advisor if you are unsure about any aspect of the process. By taking the time to understand the home loan process and carefully considering your options, you can make your dream of owning a home a reality.